Hello everyone, today I will show you how to extract unlimited emails using a Python script. Before extracting email addresses, you need 4 files here. The first one is the age filter, the second is the location filter, the third is the proxy list, and the fourth is the website list. This is the number 1 you can see. First, we need the website list from where you are extracting the email addresses. Let me open this file. You need to input the website list from where you are going to extract the email addresses. Basically, you should put shopping or e-commerce sites that are not popular. Extracting data from sites like Amazon or eBay is not possible. It will only work with smaller shopping or e-commerce websites. Next is the proxy. Proxy is not an issue because you need a free proxy. You can get free proxies from GitHub or other sources to extract the data. So, you need a free proxy, and that's it. The third one is the location. On a website, there are multiple locations available. You need a location filter. I have included over 600 locations from all over the USA. You need to specify each location from where you want to extract data. Finally, there's the age filter. This is useful if you want to filter specific age ranges. For example, I have set it between 1932 and 1999, so it will filter all the age-related data. Now, let's go over to the Python script. I've copied the script, navigated to the correct location, and will now run it. In the backend, it will extract all the data. This process takes some time, so I will pause my video for a couple of minutes or hours and resume when it's done. Now, as you can see, the process is complete. It took about 3.5 hours to extract the entire database, and the output is a CSV file. Let's open the file. You can see all the extracted details, including first name, last name, gender, date of birth, age, email address, country, city, and zip code. The data is now fully extracted into the CSV file. If anyone needs the CSV file, feel free to reach out. Thank you.